Are you cranky? Huh? Are you cranky? Was that not funny? I think it's hilarious. Were you no? Were you sleeping?
Yes.
Soundly?
Yes.
Until we bothered you?
Yes.
Are you still? You're smiling. It's funny.
Mm-mm.
Are you still tired?
Yes.
Get away from me. Don't touch me. Stop. I think you look good with shaving cream. Open your eyes.
No.
Open.
What?
Open. You're getting shaving cream all over me. That's not nice. Stop.
Stop.
You stop. Being cranky.
Why are you bothering me?
Watch out. You're gonna hurt my piercing. No! Don't wipe it on me. I'll kill. No! You're horrible. I'm out of here.
Man, how much of this crap did you put on me?
I didn't put any on you. You really messed up my teeth.
Oh, shut.
Lay down.
No.
You're jacking me up. You're smiling.
No, I'm going to go back to bed.
Don't go to sleep.
No, I'm going to sleep.
You're gonna go to sleep with the shaving cream on?
I'm tired.
You don't look so pretty. Your hair is all poofy. What's going on Facebook?
I don't care.
Even though you don't look all sexy out?
Just don't care.
Removing the shaving cream from my hand. Now you're smiling. Oh, chicken cheese smiles. Do you love me?
You're really annoying.
Do you love me?
Of course I love you. Stop.
How much do you love me?
My patience is starting to wear very thin.
What?
You heard me.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Are you going to sleep?
Yep.
No, not with shaving cream.
Why not?
Girl.
I'm about to roll on your side a little bit.
Hey, if you get shaving cream on my pillow, I'm going to bite you in your sleep.
On you and the
What?
balls.
That won't hurt.
Yes, it does.
I'll bite your peckers. Oh, come back. None?
Mm-hmm.
Can I do it?
Yeah, I don't mind that. That's not so bad.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Smile.